Yo, what is up, boys? Today is not motovlog day. Today is a very exciting video. So if you can tell, I haven't done a video sitting inside of this car in a very long time. So if you are new here, this is my 1992 Mazda MX-5 Miata, and the reason it has been abandoned for months and months is because here recently it's been having some issues. So it all started, I'll give you a little backstory. It all started when I was driving home back from where I usually go to. That's about a 20-minute drive and about 5 minutes from my house. You know, these cars are getting old. It happens. The radiator exploded and it blew up. It's plastic. It's 30 years old. What can you do? Well, boys, I was like 5 minutes away from home, usually how it goes, and I threw a coolant line and a belt. You see the belt down there? Of course, that's just how it goes. I replaced the radiator, replaced the hoses, cooling, everything, all that stuff was fine. So took it out, driving just fine. But the first time I took it out, I was driving on I-70, a major highway where I am at, and everything just shut off. The car just quit and will not start again. Won't start. It cranks. I'll show you, but it just won't start. So I let it sit for a while, try to figure out, because honestly, I was really sad. This is my favorite car of all time. I was really sad. I didn't really feel like working on it. So then I started digging a little bit deeper, found that the water pump is probably bad. It is leaking out of its little like weep hole. So that's going to have to be coming in the future too. But for right now, I just want to get it started. It can start without coolant in it because it is leaking coolant. Can't start for long, but it can start. So I need to figure out why it is not starting. Now, I did do a little bit of some research and some testing and found out that I have no spark. What does that mean? I don't know. I don't know why I have no spark, but the main thing that I'm going to replace is the ignition coil / coil packs. If that doesn't work, the next thing I will try is completely replacing the sparks and plugs, because the sparks and plugs on here are pretty new. I replaced them pretty recently, so it shouldn't be those. So I do have the coil pack / ignition coil that I will be replacing today, and that is what we're getting ready to do. So let's try to fix this 1992 Mazda Miata. Okay, now the battery is a little bit dead, but it does crank over. So before I start fixing it or wrenching on anything, I will show you what that sounds like. Okay, one more time. Here we go. So as you can hear, it does kind of sound like it has compression. If you know what sound that is making, let me know. But I noticed it didn't have spark, so that is where I'm gonna start first. I've checked all my fuses, done all that. The part is right here, so let's get to installing it. Okay, so before I do anything, I'm gonna take a picture of this order just so I know for the future. Now, it should be pretty straightforward. I've watched a couple videos. There's a bolt here, some clips over here, bolt over here, and a bolt back there. If somebody's worked on it before, there probably won't be a bolt back there because it is not worth it to take it off and do all that stuff. So let's start disassembling everything. Let's see. I don't remember. I watched a couple videos. I don't remember what size it was. I am so good. First try. I don't know what to tell you. Yeah, I'm going to take all these out of my way first. Might as well. See, they're all tangled in each other. I don't like that. Drives me nuts. All right. See, those look pretty. See, that one looks good. That one looks fine. That one also looks fine. And these all look fine. So, okay. I need a more sensitive ratchet, I need to tell you. Oh yeah, those have been in there for a while. Do not drop that. Okay, might just leave it up there. I have a magnetic tray somewhere, but I don't know where. All right, other side. We're on to the other side. I'm gonna put the headlights down. I don't wanna hit them. So now there is some clips on this side and another bolt that I don't see. Where is it? Wow, it is covered in oil back here. Oh, the other bolt is right here. Okay, I see it. It's right there, and then that'll get this bracket off. Okay, I see it. All right, off she comes. Now, I wonder if these are different or if they're the same size. I want to play it safe. Uh-oh, I dropped that. Just in case they are different, I'm gonna leave this one standing up back here. It's like there's like a perfect shelf back here. I love that. Now, there should be one more bolt on the back. Oh, I think it's already, yep. Okay, so it's already been taken out. So somebody has already done this job. So that's good. Could be a good thing and a bad thing. If this one comes from China, then maybe it's just a piece that's bad. So somebody has already been in here before. I'm very glad that that's already out. Now I just gotta take this clip off, these clips, and then this will come right out. Yep, just like that. Let's see if we can't get these clips off though, huh? Hopefully they're easy since they've already been off before. There's one. Okay. I'm gonna need some pliers to get that guy off because I think I have to reuse this bracket, I'm pretty sure. Let's see. Oh, all right. Oh, she's still not out. She's connected to something down there. What is that? Well, there's a little clip here I can just pull it out of. I'll just pull it out right here. Oh, I just broke it. So there that goes. Okay, so there's my bracket. And now here comes out with the old. She is pretty dirty and crusty. It's a Mitsubishi part. It's got the Mitsubishi logo on it. Let's get the new. It didn't come very packaged very well. Look, that's how it came. Just a loose part and some bubble wrap and this piece of junky cardboard, but it did arrive. So here is the shiny new one. Let's see. We got to remember where this bracket goes. So there's, it's actually funny. This one actually does come with the piece. Some of them don't come with this. This one does come with it. All right, let's get this installed. Let's get this guy back in here. Uh-oh, what just fell? I heard something hit the ground. What was that? Uh-oh, uh-oh. What fell? Oh, it looks like a plastic cover. Hang on, boys. You can't see me, but I'm underneath it. Oh, what did this cover up here? Oh, it covered up these 2 screws. Oh, okay. So it lines up like that. So let's see if that works. See if that's possible. Because, listen, don't make fun of me. Never done this job before. We're learning together, okay? Be nice to me. Slide this guy in here. We're gonna send her home, just like that. These threads are gnarly. They are sticky. They are very sticky. Oh, yeah, I might go spray something on them because these threads are disgusting. See how I just clean them a little bit. Yeah, they are dirty. I'm gonna go clean these. All right, she's cleaned off. Let's see if that helped any. Oh yeah, that helped a lot. Let's get this other one started as well. All right, where's my wrench? Where's my wrench? What happened to my wrench? Where's my wrench? Where'd it go? Where is it? Where'd she go? In there. Where? Oh, in my little tool shelf. Okay, that's perfect. Now, we'll put the clips back in there. Put this, oh, there's a dead bee in here. Hi, little buddy. Okay, so now we get our clips, this one and this one. We'll get this guy here. We'll run it behind like that. We'll plug it in. There we go, she's clipped. I heard it clip, and we'll clip it into there. Take this guy. Make sure there's no gunk in there. I mean, she's 30 years old. There's gonna be gunk everywhere. Pins look good. Pins, yep, look good. So we're gonna plug this guy in. She clipped, heard it nice and loud. Clip that guy in there. All right, she's clipped. All right, now all we gotta do is make sure the firing order is right. I'll look at the picture for that, and then we will get the plugs back in here and start it up. Now, I'm gonna be honest, I don't have much hope that it's gonna fix it. I just don't think it would be that easy of a fix, and with me, it never is. But we're gonna find out and see what happens. So I am gonna trust this, because if you see up here, it has numbers. They're hard to see, but it says 1, 4, 2, 3. I know that's very hard to see, but I was also looking in here. You can see in there, those don't look the best. So it could have been this. See, here's that O-ring. Yeah, look, the rubber. That rubber is just gone, boys. There's no way I could save that. So we're gonna do number 1 first. I've looked at the diagram, I've looked at the picture. Number 1 is the second one in. All right, number 2 is the first one on the second one. All right, here we go. Number 2. That went in. 3 acquired. Here, she's on. Okay, so last one is 4. Now how, oh, maybe I should have done 4 first, huh? Oh, great. That's all right. That's not that hard to do. Okay, gonna go here. Which 4 is the last one? Yep, okay, well, the first one. That's on. There, she's seated. There we go. Boom, bang, boom, bong. Both connectors are plugged in. These screws are tight. All right, boys, it's time to fire it up. All right, so we just got all the tools put away. Old part taken out. I'm a little hopeful, but I'm still unsure that that's gonna fix it. If it sounds like it's gonna go, but the battery's dead, I'll obviously hook up a jumper to it, but now is the moment of truth. Here we go. Nope. Yeah, I didn't think so. Well, as you just saw, we're definitely going to be able to continue this series. If you guys have any idea of what you think it could be, let me know. I'm going to check for spark again and make sure we have spark with this new one, because it could be something a little bit deeper. But next might be plugs, wires, unless I get a comment that is like, yeah, that makes sense. So it's a bummer, but it is what it is. That's what happens when you work on 30-year-old cars. So I'm going to go ahead and end this one here and go cry some more. You guys already know the drill. If you enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment, share with a friend, and I will see you in the next one. Later. Pull up with the grip out, automatic gear. Hopping out the bottom, big body like a deer. Put some holes in it, now we spotted like a cheetah.